day 11. Ay, it should be 1, right? Day 11. Walking lang muna tayo. Favorite ko sa lugar na to, nakikita yung star. Pero this time, dahil maulap, walang star. And medyo maambon. This place is awesome. Minsan wala, minsan nandyan yung star. Oh man. Turn out, tuwakbo din ako. Kala ko walking lang ngayon, pero the music is so good, I just have to run with it. That's the end of day 11.